Hi, this is Johnson. Today we are going to understand polymorphism, which is one of the powerful features of object-oriented programming. Let's see first what is polymorphism. Polymorphism is a Greek word where poly means many and morphism means forms. So the polymorphism means many forms. Let's consider an example in C++ program. In this program, the base class member function and derived class member function are having same name with same prototype. Hope this figure will help you to understand this problem more clearly. Here with same prototype, you can see here, if we compile and run this program, objects of base class and derived class will invoke the member function of base class only, because compiler will not be able to differentiate among these member functions of same name and of same prototype. Let's see this program. In this program, we have a base class square and derived class rectangle. We have created three objects in our program. First one is a pointer array object named ptr of base class square. The second object is the object base, which is the object of base class. And the third and last one is object of derived class named as object derived. In pointer array in ptr0, we are assigning the address of object base, and in ptr1 we are assigning the address of object derived. When we are compiling this program, both of these functions invoke the member functions of base class. Let's see the result by executing this program. See, here base class member function are invoked first by base class object. Again, the derived class object is invoking the member function of base class. So because of the same name and of same prototype, we couldn't invoke the member function of derived class. Now again, consider this slide. In polymorphism, C++ provide runtime binding with a mechanism called virtual to sort out such issues. Now let's understand what is compile time binding and runtime binding. Compile time binding. At compile time, when compiler is able to select the appropriate function for a particular call, it is called early binding or compile time binding. And the runtime binding, at runtime, when appropriate version of function is invoked through the respective class object, since this process takes place much later compilation or as late binding or runtime dynamic binding. To understand this, we can use this graphical picture. Here, the polymorphism has two categories. One is runtime binding, which we implement using function overloading and operator overloading. Another one is runtime binding, which we implement in C++ through the mechanism called virtual, where program invoke multiple similar member functions during runtime intended class objects. Now try to understand this using this program. This is exactly same program as which we as discussed, but with difference. Here we have used the keyword virtual of member functions. Let's come to the result. See, this program is invoking the member function of base class in runtime through the base class object. Now again see the member function of derived class is being invoked in runtime to the derived class object. So this is how, using polymorphism, we can invoke multiple similar member functions at runtime. Hope this tutorial helped you to understand the concept of polymorphism in C++, and thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye.